Hello everyone, today's recipe is for Lahori Paya in an instant pot, and I'll be using this new spice mix I've recently found at one of the grocery stores. And to make this, I'll be needing some yogurt, oil, onion. I'll be using goat payas, but if you prefer beef payas, it's up to you. Also 1 pack of the spice mix. Exactly. Shouldn't need any salt because for this quantity the masala is perfect. I'll also be using ginger garlic paste, and over here I have green chilies and coriander for garnishing later on. So I'll set my pot on saute on medium high heat. So I'm just going to start by heating the pot and then adding oil to the pot. And once I feel the oil is hot, I'll add the onion, and I'll only need to saute, no need to brown or fry them. Just saute the onion and then add the ginger garlic paste. So once I feel the onions have softened up a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste, which is about 3 tablespoons, and give it a quick mix for a few seconds. And shouldn't need to do that for long. Again, I don't need to brown anything here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the payas. So there I have 6 payas cut up. The store only had the burnt ones, which is fine. Tastes actually even better. So I've added the payas, and I'm just going to fry it for about 2 minutes max, and then I'll just go ahead and add the spice mix, the whole pack. For me, it wasn't too spicy, but if you want less quantity, then just only add half a pack. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 cup of yogurt, and again mix it for about a minute or 2 minutes. Add about 5 to 6 cups of water to make the broth, and right away I'm just going to turn it off from the saute setting and close the cover and set it on sealing. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose the soup broth setting for about 40 minutes. And for this quantity, again, this timing was perfect. So once the timer goes off, I will let it sit there for maybe 15 to 20 minutes because I wasn't in a rush to release the steam, but if you need to, go ahead. So there, I've released the steam, and then I'm just going to open the pot, and you can see I still have like it's still too watery for me, so I'm going to go ahead and again turn on the saute setting and cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. It would give me a nice thick gravy, and then that's how I know it's done. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that. Okay, so it's still watery. 10 to 15 minutes was enough for me. Once it was done, I just went ahead and added a tablespoon of garam masala, and also the green chilies and fresh coriander. There, it was very quick for me. I mean, usually if I make it on a regular stovetop, I would probably need like at least 5 to 6 hours to make it really well, but in an instant pot it was done within 1 hour, and it was ready for breakfast. So so there, it's done, ready, very tasty. I am so happy with this new masala I found for payas because it just adds that extra touch to it, and especially these days when we want to stay home and make everything at home, this is a really good change. Once in a while, once a month, we really enjoy this. Have it with naan, or you can just have it with a spoon, like a soup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.